Hello, welcome to Virgo Philippines. So, ito yung reading natin for Virgo. Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, Jupiter, Virgos. Take only what resonates. Bali, hindi ito magre-resonate sa lahat kasi hindi naman po ito personal reading, okay? So, kung hindi ka makaka-resonate, okay lang yon. May mga next readings pa naman. Or kung gusto mo, pwede mo namang i-check yung ating pinaka-channel. Check mo yung mga videos na uploaded dyan. Maaaring doon sa ibang video ay makarelate or makaresonate ka. Kung gusto mo, pwede ka namang magpa-personal reading kay Jing Tarot Trader. I-search mo na lang siya sa Facebook, okay? And yeah, pwede rin naman kayong pumunta dun sa aking TikTok and Unicorn Princess Tarot. Yan yung aking TikTok. Pwede nyo rin akong i-follow dyan. Let's start your reading. This is for the sign of Virgo, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, and Jupiter, Virgos. Okay. Pwede magkapalit-palit ang roles ha. Depende sa nangyayari sa'yo. So, bahala ka na ilagay ang sarili mo sa sitwasyon. Thank you, Spirit Guides, Angel Guides. One last shuffle for Virgo. Okay. Etong blue card, ito yung gagamitin ko sa side mo, no? And then later, itong black card dito sa gilid, ito yung gagamitin ko sa side ng person mo. The Eight of Cups is here. This is actually you, no? I'm feeling like you're walking away from this situation, from your person, from your soulmate. Nakikita natin, umaalis ka, lumalayo ka, tinatakbuhan mo. Or maybe, we do have here the Ten of Swords, some kind of ending ang nangyayari sa inyo. Or you feel like nag-end na. Or maybe yung iba naman, hindi mo naman sinasadyang i-end. But it's just that, nagkakaroon ng ending because ang focus mo ay nasa ibang bagay. You know what I mean? Pwedeng with the Four of Swords, you're not making any movement ngayon pagdating dito sa person mo. And you do have here the Three of Pentacles. Ang focus mo is development regarding sa material na bagay sa buhay mo. Maybe regarding money, regarding career. So, nandiyan yung focus mo dito. No? Lalo na with the Queen of Wands. If you are someone na might be, I don't know, some kind of a person na talagang focus sa career eh. Maybe you do have a business, malaki man or maliit, or kung hindi man, maybe ikaw itong taong nag-a-advise ng may kinalaman sa family or money. Ganun yung nakikita natin. And yeah, I feel like in the past, nasaktan ka na rin dito sa connection ninyo na person na ito because minahal mo naman itong person na ito eh. But it's just that, maybe nakafocus ka na lang sa positivity ng buhay. You know, kasi might be kung sa kanya ka magfo-focus, malulungkot ka lang eh. And might be ayaw mo ng kalungkutan, ayaw mo mag-focus sa kalungkutan. So, kung nagkakaroon man ng ending, it is because hindi ka na rin nagfo-focus masyado doon sa mga taong makakapagpalungkot sa'yo, which is maybe this person na kukuha na naman natin ng energy ngayon. Person nakakonect na Virgo, Spirit Guides, Angel Guides, person nakakonect na Virgo. Person nakakonect na Virgo, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, and Jupiter, Virgo. One last shuffle. Person nakakonect na Virgo. For this card, this is actually a card na babasahan ko rin siya ng reversal. So, sa mga hindi pa nakakaalam, hindi kasi ako nagbabasa ng reversal, pero for this particular card, gagamitan or babasahan ko siya ng reversal. You do have here the Nine of Swords. Knight of Cups. Oh, wow. Temperance is here. And one more card. The Justice card is at the bottom of the deck. That's Libra energy. You do have here Two of Pentacles. And yeah, Capricorn energy. Taurus. Okay. So, itong person na to is actually, you see this, you do have here crying man or woman. So, sobrang nasasaktan itong person na ito eh. Kasi it's like wala siyang magawa sa ngayon regarding sa nagiging ending sa connection ninyo. Like, etong person na to with the Knight of Cups, gusto niya mag-offer or matagal na niyang hinihintay na makapag-offer ng something sa'yo. Like, this person wants to tell you the truth with the Justice card. Gusto niya sabihin sa'yo yung totoo. But, nakikita natin na umiiwas siya or lumalayo siya because, I feel like nagfo-focus din siya sa future, no? Nagfo-focus siya sa future. But, hindi naman ibig sabihin na lumalayo siya, umiiwas siya, inawala na yung pagtingin niya sa'yo. Kasi, I see this person na talagang nandun pa rin yung pagpansin or napapansin ka pa rin niya because you look beautiful, babae man or lalaki. You look inspiring. So, talaga nai-inspire ang taong ito sa'yo. And I feel like that itong person ito is naghihintay lang siya ng changes sa kung ano man yung situation ninyo. And pag nakitaan niya ng potential na pwede akong mag-offer, pwede kong ibigay itong aking emotions sa'yo. Maybe pag naramdaman niya yung feeling na pwede akong maging totoo sa'yo, gagawin niya na magiging totoo siya sa'yo. Pero might be there's this missed chance or missed opportunity sa inyong dalawa na nakikita nitong person na ito na parang kaya siya nalulungkot at nasasaktan kasi nagkaroon na naman ng gano'n, no? Ng parang sayang. Parang gano'n. Emotions mo para sa person na ito. Bottom of the deck is a Ten of Wands. Two of Pentacles is here. Queen of Cups. Three of Cups. I feel like yung emotion mo for this person is that may times na, you know, with the Two of Pentacles, yeah. May times na nandun yung emotion mo na you feel like with the Queen of Cups, you love this person or importante sa'yo yung person na to. And then there is this time with the Three of Cups na you see this person as a friend or maybe a person na parang gusto mo na dyan lang. You know, may mga times na ganun. Kumbaga, in and out yung emotions mo towards this person. Kasi with the Ten of Wands, marami kang responsibility, obligasyon sa sitwasyon mo ngayon na nagiging dahilan para mag-end kung ano man yung mga emotions na nararamdaman mo maybe in the past dito sa person na ito. So like what I've told you, pwedeng ang focus mo ngayon is yung mga bagay na mas magbibigay ng accomplishment or success para sa'yo. So ano namang emotions niya towards you? For some of you, meron kang other options. Pwede rin namang wala. Some of you lang. The Ace of Swords is here. You do have here the Strength card. That's a major arcana. King of Swords. And you do have here the High Priestess. So, nakikita natin yung pagiging tagong-tago na emotion ng person na ito with the High Priestess. Yan. Sobrang secretive, sobrang tagong-tago. And it is because nako-confuse siya eh. Hindi niya alam kung ano yung dapat maramdaman. Like, etong person na ito is I feel like gusto niyang kailangan naaayon sa plano. So, for now, hanggat hindi niya nakikita na magiging successful yung connection na ito, hindi siya nagpaplano ng kung kailan magiging truthful sa'yo. And this person with the Strength card is kailangan muna niya ng assurance na itong emotion ko, na itong commitment na gusto kong i-offer or ibigay sa'yo ay masusuklian or magiging maganda ang kalalabasan. So, hanggat hindi siya 100% sure na mag-work out yung connection or relationship or love na maaaring gusto niyang i-offer sa'yo, hindi siya para speak. You do have here the Ace of Swords. This is like laging nasa utak niya muna. Mas inuuna niya yung mga nasa isip niya bago siya magsalita. Like this person is thinking 100% kung mag-work out ba ang connection ninyo bago siya sumugal. You know what I mean? And what is the truth about this person's emotions? Ano ba ang katotohanan regarding sa emotion niya para sa'yo? Regarding this person's emotion, you do have here the judgment, and it is in reverse, the Empress, and it is also in reverse. Okay, I feel like itong person na ito is sa ngayon disappointed siya sa sarili niya. Hindi niya alam kung sino yung sisisihin. Pwedeng disappointed din siya sa mga choices na pinili mo, na pwedeng nagkaroon ka ng pagpili in the past or mga actions in the past na parang disappointed siya, bakit mo ginawa yun, ba't mo pinili yun, etc. And I feel like itong person na ito is tinatry niyang i-balance ngayon ang kanyang mga priorities. So, I don't see any action for now mula dito sa person na to kasi you do have here the Five of Pentacles at the bottom of the deck. I feel like sobrang hirap para sa kanya, lalo na punong-puno ng insecurities. No? Maaaring ngayon, tinitignan niya yung sitwasyon ninyo and parang wala siyang kayang ipagmalaki. Wala siyang maipakita or maipagmalaki dito. But the Ace of Cups is here. Definitely, there's a lot of love coming from this person. Unconditional love. Ayan, mula dito sa person na ito. I'm seeing Cancer energy. Pero, natatakot kasi din siyang ma-reject. You know what I mean? What will happen in the future for you? What will happen in the future for you? You do have your Page of Pentacles, the Lovers, and the Sun. Eight of Swords is here. Hindi ko ito kukunin. Masyadong marami. I'll just take this one na nakalayo. And then you do have the Death card and it is in reverse. Eight of Wands. Okay. Queen of Wands. Two of Cups and the Ace of Wands. Well, actually, may dalawang kind of future tayong nakikita dito. And it is because, bakit sinabi kong dalawa? Depende sa magiging action ng person na ito. Or ikaw. Kasi actually, pwede pang mabago. Okay? Pwede mabago, depende sa action. If the choice of your person is the Seven of Pentacles, it's like choice. It's like the movement na gagawin niya. And it is something na hindi gumagawa ng action. Kung ito yung gagawin na person mo, walang action. There's just this energy na inaalala ka lang hanggang alaala, hanggang pag-iisip, hanggang alaala, hanggang pag-iisip. If that would be the action of your person, I can see definitely na hindi nagkakaroon ng ending kung ano man yung paikot-ikot na nangyayari sa inyo. It's like the same situation, the same scenario. Okay? And I feel like maraming nagtutulak sa kanya na gawin yung action, but nandun yung mas nangingibabaw sa kanya yung number 4 or 4 of Pentacles, which is the energy of security. Ayun yung sinesecure niya, or nandun yung sarili niya muna yung iniisip niya regarding sa paggawa ng action or pagtitake ng risk. I don't see this person na nagtitake ng risk. Ito yung isang action na nakikita natin. So, ang possible na kalabasan, pag itong person na ito ay hindi gumawa ng movement, I can see you being happy with the Sun sa isang relationship with the Page of Pentacles na ipepresent sa'yo na maaaring hindi ito yung gusto mong relationship. Maaaring with the Eight of Swords, you will be stuck in this relationship na maraming nakakita naman tayo ng mga pagpaplano, no, with the Two of Wands, but it's not the kind of relationship with the Five of Swords na deserve mo or para sa'yo, no? And might be, there's a lot of money with the Ten of Pentacles na ito na lang rin naman yung nagiging dahilan. And I can see a lot of communication dito sa person na ito na, oo, sige, hindi ito yung relationship para sa akin, but this is the relationship that I have now, and I can see a lot of money, pero nakikita natin, masaya ka, because yung mga material na bagay, mga material na gusto mong mangyari sa buhay mo, is nakukuha mo dito. Okay, this is the number one future nakikita natin. Okay, sa totoo lang, ang talo dito, hindi ikaw. Ang talo dito yung person na ito. Kung hindi siya gagawa ng action. Kasi hindi ikaw yung nawalan. Actually, ang mas nakikita natin dito, ang nawalan ay siya. Okay? Dahil pinabayaan niya na mawala yung someone na makakapagbigay ng happiness sa kanya. And that is you. Okay? Para naman dun sa isang action na pwedeng gawin ng person mo na pag ito yung ginawa niya, another situation or another connection, another future ang nakikita natin. With the Queen of Wands, this is someone na nagiging honest. This is someone who is very passionable. This is someone na determinado na maging or makuha or magkaroon ng pag-offer mula sa'yo, mula sa kanya. And I feel like once na ito yung gawin niyang action, there's definitely the Two of Cups between the two of you. This is relationship, this is partnership, this is equality connection sa inyong dalawa with the Two of Cups. This is relationship with the Ace of Wands na maaaring a new beginning of a relationship, a connection sa inyong dalawa. Kung magte-take siya ng actions, kung magsasabi siya ng totoo, kung sasabihin niya kung ano yung mga nasa isip niya. And the possible future here, kung ito yung gagawin niya, I can see a beautiful and happy relationship sa inyong dalawa. No? Na might be, with the Page of Wands, there's a lot of communication, connection, a lot of, the King of Swords is here, so it's like a challenging connection. So, bakit ko sinabing challenging? Challenging in a way na yung connection ninyo is punong-puno ng anong tawag dito? Competition. So, may pakikipagkompetensya sa bawat isa kung paano mas magiging mas better. Alam mo yun, yung connection ninyo ay mapupuno ng kompetisyon. Maaaring pagalingan kayong dalawa, pero hindi nyo namamalayan itong competition na ito is making the both of you better. No? Better person. Better kasi mas nailalabas niyo yung mga best version of yourselves. And with the Knight of Swords yan and the King of Pentacles, there's stability with the two of you. It's like with the Devil, I can see yung mga anong tawag dito, purpose. Mga purpose ninyo sa buhay ninyo ay nagagawa ninyo together with this person. And I can see marriage with the Justice card. Yeah. I can see balance, energy sa inyong dalawa. So, nasa sa action yun ng person mo. Which is, nakikita natin dito, depende sa kung ano yung magiging action niya. Sa kung ano ang kalalabasan nito, ng connection ninyo. Dito sa part na ito, maybe you are the one na nag-surrender. Maybe you are the one na bahala na kung ano yung mangyayari. No? Hinayaan mo na lang na kasi ginawa mo na yung part mo eh. Maybe in the past, you are the one na gumawa ng actions. But in the future, depende kung gagawa ng action ito, person ito, para mabago itong sitwasyon ninyo. Pero hindi ko sinasabing pilitin mo siya. Kasi sa part na ito, siya na dapat ang gumawa ng paraan. Thank you for watching. I love you all and bye-bye.